I just finished this vintage singing bird cage. This was made in Germany, circa 1950s. Absolutely beautiful condition all the way around. The original bird feathers are bright and full, very well done. The only thing that I had to do from a restoration perspective, outside of I did fully service the mechanism so it works as it should, is I did repaint the two berries and the black forest mushroom within the foliage. Otherwise, everything else is original. I just cleaned it up. So let's hear it play, starting off on the pause setting. Oh, there we go. The pause works. Let's switch to continuous. So the bird sings with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, animates perfectly. It's really a very nice example with a very pretty bird. You can see the wire loop feet. So this cage is not marked, but because of the wire loop feet, I believe this was made by Carl Griesbaum. The bird feathering design is different than most of his work. The bird design looks more like a Bontemps, which is French, and possibly they made this for a different market. I'm not sure. It is the original bird, solid brass. So in summary, a vintage 1950s singing bird cage in absolutely gorgeous condition all the way around. I'll turn this off here. Take care.